How to track changes in Google Docs. Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on tracking changes in Google Docs. So when you share a document for collaboration, you can see how it evolves, especially in the group setting. Now, Google Docs offers a feature called Suggestion Mode, which lets you track comments and decide whether to incorporate them into the document. This is similar to the Track Changes feature in the Microsoft world. So to activate the Suggestion Mode, you have to click on the corresponding icon. So once in Suggestion Mode, any text you add will be highlighted and deletions will appear crossed out. To activate the Suggestion Mode, click on the Editing in the top right corner of the screen, and then from the drop-down menu, go to Suggesting option. And once in the Suggestion Mode, any text you add will be highlighted and deletions will appear crossed out. All these changes are visible to your collaborators. To accept a suggestion, click on Accept, which will officially add or remove the content, and alternatively click on Reject. That will indicate disagreement with the proposed changes. If you want to respond to a suggestion, just click Reply and share your feedback. And that's how you can use From Suggesting feature and track changes in Google Docs. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.